Happy Friday, guys. I want to show you how I make my fat cooks. As you can see over there, my dough has already been prepared. It's ready. Okay, I'm using a flour as my base so that my fat cooks will not absorb a lot of oil. Now I am heating up the oil. So your stove must be on low heat. You must not do some fat cooks on a high heat, né? And then I'm starting over there preparing my fat cooks. As I already told you that I need to make a base a base for my fat cooks. I'm using a flour. I don't know how to explain this part that I'm doing, hence why I'm saying that I'm making a base, because I don't know how to call it, but I'm using a flour just to prepare my fat cooks to be ready for the pan to be fried. Yes, as we can see. And then the oil has been already ready. Has been ready, and then I will put it. Then I'm starting frying starting frying my fat cooks. I'm starting frying my fat cooks. Sorry, I've been disturbed by the kids. Sorry about the noise, and I'm also being distracted by the kids. So sorry about that. As you can see, they have been already to be turned. The other side is ready to be turned. You can see, you see, they are doing so good and well. Remember, my heat is on level 4. I said you must not fry them on a higher heat. They will get burnt without being properly cooked inside. Voila, and I'm already done. They are so nice and crispy and fluffy. Taste is top delicious.